Ano ba to? Kailangan na magano. Jollibee! Ay, Macdo!
O, bakit?
Macdo, buksan mo to.
Naka-open yan, uy. OA.
Macdo, kailangan natin manalo. Ay, maglaban. Paglalabanan natin kung sino mas madami na worker. Okay?
Okay. Simulan na natin.
At kung sino manalo, siya ibibigyan ng lahat ng pera na natalo. Okay? So, galingan mo. Sarap pa naman ng nugget ngayon. Let's go, mananalo. Okay, let's go! Punta na kayo dito. Jollibee's good!
Punta na kayo dito. New seller.
Tara na! Let's go! Dito tayo!
Chicken nuggets.
Jollibee! Mas maganda mas masarap ang alam mo yan, mas masarap ang nuggets dito at isa pa dyan, walang creamy shake dito. Masarap dito.
Meron shamrock shake. Masarap. Merong ice cream pa.
Tara, punta na kayo.
Feeling ko sa Jollibee kasi Joy. Hello po.
Hello, what's your order?
Can I have po yung bago po yung chicken nuggets and jolly hot dog.
Sige po.
Pwede po bayad ito?
Bawal po yan. Bomba po yan eh.
Ito.
Sige po. Magkano po yan?
Ano po, 100.
Sige po, sakto po 100.
Ganda po dito na nyo.
Yan?
Ng store.
Yeah, of course. Kasi,
Bukas na po ba?
hindi dati na to, bayan to. Nakalimutan mo bayan.
Ay, dito pa ako dumadaan dati. Dati pizzeria lang to, di ba?
Yeah, ngayon pinalito ko ng Jollibee.
Oh, ganda pala ng store nyo, ha? By the way.
Dahit lang
Ilang minutes na lang po.
nahanap ko pa yung nuggets. Yan, ay na, ito na.
Uy, masarap po yan, ha?
May halong fries. This is Ribley. Ribley lang to, okay?
Thank you po.
Yan.
Wait lang po.
Mura lang po dito, kaya araw-araw na po kayo pumunta dito. Kasi murang-mura po dito.
Oh, thank you po. Thank you po.
Yung hotdog.
Oh. By the way po, masarap to, ah. Ito po, bayad daw. Keep the change. 1,000.
May bayad na po kayo, 100.
Huwag na po.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Para masarap din yan sa McDonald's. Ito nga ako. Pa-order po. Ay, ano po order niyo, sir? Pabili nga po ng isang creamy shake na may chicken nuggets. Sige po. Coming right up po. Mag-creamy shake.
Nag-deliver pa pala ako.
Pangit ang lasa. Ba't ganito yung creamy shake nyo? Sir, baka mali lang yung nabigay ko. Sorry, sir. Oh. Ay, mali pala. Masarap. Saka ito po yung nuggets nyo. Thank you. Ay, bayan nyo, sir. Ay, free. Oh. Oh, 900 pesos. Uy, thank you.
Mag-ano na ako?
Thank you, sir.
Pag-deliver na ako, may deliver. Tatawag na ata, may tumatawag. Hello, what's this? Who's this?
Sir, sir.
Yeah?
Ang ganda po, ang sarap niyo po. Ang sarap po ng ano niya, ng ano niyo, ng restaurant. So, meron po kayong 100
Wag na po. Thank you po. Maraming pong tulong to sa akin.
Okay.
Hello, sino to? Hello? Sino to?
Hello po. Hello po. Ano po? Ako po nandito sa school. Sa school po. Pa-order nga po lahat ng nasa menu.
Sige po, no problem.
Magkano po?
Ano lang po, mga nasa 300.
200? Ang mura naman. Sige.
Kay McDo po kasi 1K, kaya dito po mura.
Wah, wait lang.
Yeah.
Wait lang ah. Tatawag ulit ako sa'yo. May gagawin lang ako.
Sige po. Kano na.
Taraning. Ay,
Yes?
tawag. Yes? Hello? Sino ka?
Ba't?
Ha?
May tuwa. Okay. Gagawa na ako dito. Special Dutch. Larong meal, pang ano dito. Lalagay ko na dito. Pero, sa school po kayo, di ba?
Po.
Okay, tara na. Ito, meron na ako. Tara na. Deliver ko na to. Yan, tara na. You wish me a Merry Christmas. Wish me a Merry Christmas. Nasa school siya, kaya tara, punta na tayo sa school. Buti na lang, malapit lang dito school, di ako malalate. Ano kaya ang room yun? Tignan ko na lang.
Hello po.
Oh, hello.
Ako order.
Ito po yung last po ng menu.
Oh. Masarap to ah. Oh, keep the change oh. $100. Ay, $300.
Sakto lang po to eh. So, thank you po.
Oh, by the way, isang $100 cost ng 1,000.
Okay. Ganun na. Sino ba ito sumasakay sa akin? Ito na, magbabalik na tayo. Wala pa nagda-drive to magda-drive. Sana mag-drive to si Mr. Beast, no? Sana lang mag-drive to si Mr. Beast kasi yun yung pinakasikat ngayon. Sigurado malaking mumurahan ko lang sana, mga 100 pesos lang or 50. Oy, hindi, libre na lang. Kahit lugi ako. Gawin na lang natin siyang piso. Ay, libre. Oo, tama, libre. Sana mag-drive to Rio si Mr. Basic. Kailangan ko na tutakpan.
So, welcome to our new vacation in the Philippines. So, my name is Mr. Beast, who don't know. So, we are vlogging in the famous Jollibee restaurant in the Philippines. It's Philippines. Okay, stop. So we're gonna drive through it. So let's go. So hello.
Where's your car?
This is my car. This is my car.
Oh, okay. Now we ride through now.
Can I not drive through?
Oh, sure.
So I'm gonna order the all menu.
Oh, okay. No problem. It's cost 1 pesos.
What is that? What is 1 peso?
$1. I mean one.
Oh,
Like
because
one.
you're so kind. So you will get some a chocolate feastable.
Oh, that's my favorite. Can I have it now?
Wait. Hey, cameraman, get the all feastable. Okay. This is it, sir. Okay, here.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And she will get
Okay, this is your order now.
wait.
Well, what? What?
Because you're so kind now, you will have a free Lamborghini.
That's true.
Yeah.
It is a Lamborghini.
So bye.
Thank you very much. Can I have some red one?
By the way, shout out to you.
My name is Joby.
Shout out Jollibee from this restaurant. This is
Or my real name is Nico.
so your name is Nico. Shout out to Nico. Someone says, my friend says mabuhay, and I say mabuhay. Mabuhay.
Yeah, that means you're longer to live.
Oh, but thank you.
This is your Jollibee. Hey!
No,
Miss
it's not free. This experiment. So you will have
Huh?
you will have a new brand new. You will have a brand new Ferrari.
Well, that's true.
A brand new Ferrari.
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. I need to reset. Goodbye. Thank you.
Ano ba?
Bye.
Hindi ko sabihin sa kanya na ako. Mura.
Oh.
Sabihin ko lang sa kanya. Mura. Hobo ka, Mr. Beast. What it means? It means you are handsome. Oh, but thank you.
Stop doing that. That's bad.
Oh my God. You're so handsome, Mr. Beast. Oh,
Mr. Beast!
why?
It's not handsome. It's dumb.
Oh, it's okay. I'm actually dumb when I'm a kid.
Okay.
Diba? Sabi ko na sa'yo.
You're sus.
So we're gonna go in McDonald's. I will watch McDonald's. By the way, this food, I will give it 5 star. I mean 20 star. And the Dolby is 20 star too. They are the same taste. I mean 22 stars. And the McDonald's is 20. So actually, people in this is people made 1 million, and for the Jollibee, he made 1 million too. 1 million one.
Okay, let's go, guys. This is the Jollibee. What's your order? Sir, what's your order?
So we're gonna go back. Jollibee, hello.
Oh, hello.
Can I get
Dick? What do you
I mean hot dog. The food hot dog.
Okay, you said dick. 2 pieces or 1?
1 pieces. Small.
Small.
I mean long.
Okay.
Uy, Benjamin Ninja, sama ko si...
Okay, this is your hot dog.
Listen kayo.
This is your hot dog.
Oh. Thank you. It's so long.
It's free.
Let me get this. Wait. Tell me.
Okay.
Can I get your dick? I mean hot dogs, the food.
You have it.
No, 1 for free. Or you will get banned from the USA
There we
or
go.
and Philippines.
There we go.
Oh, this is so yummy. Like
Oh.
your dick, I mean.
You know deck? Isayaw mo ako, sinta.
So,
Ipupong mo ako,
goodbye, guys.
musika. Isayaw mo. Part 2, okay? Okay, part 2. You know part 2. Look at that. Look at my bald. A foot. Mali.